Good morning, friends. Today we will talk what are the reason why single phase compressor are taking more or high ampere. First, if power supply cable loose, then compressor will take high amps. This is the first. Second, if voltage is low or weak, then compressor will take high amps. Third, if condenser fan motor defective, then compressor will take high ampere. Number 4, if overcharged freon, then compressor will take high ampere. Number 5, if compressor winding defective, then compressor will take high ampere. Number 6, if running capacitor defective, then compressor will take high ampere. Number 7, important. If there is a wrong wiring in the compressor terminal, then the compressor will take high amps. Example, somebody has mistaken put where S in R and where R in S. Then compressor will take high amps. Number 8, suppose the compressor is at 100% okay. Suppose the compressor 100% okay, but still take high amps. Then install extra starting capacitor and relay, and CSR type wiring will have to be done. Need to be little modified. If I have only running capacitor, so need to change wiring, modify wiring. This, then need CSR type wiring will have to be done. Then solve the problem. This is 8th reason the compressor takes high amps.